Esta es la historia de Lola y Ana que comparten. Comparten via verb. Via verb compartir. Via verb compartir.
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 Room, is it room?
ना ना verb है सिर्फ ये verb है मेरी. Compartir is a verb to share. Share.
To share.
Yes, share. You know, share.
Share, sharing.
Yes, sharing. Compartir. मेरे साथ बोलो आप compartir.
Compartir. Compartir.
Compartir is my verb to share
To
basically.
share.
Yes, to share. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have verb compartir. Now I'm using, if we have a compartir verb, so what is the present tense of compartir, which is comparto, compartes,
Comparto.
compartes, because we have ironing verb, the formula of ironing verb.
Correct. Yeah, compartes, compartimos, compartis, comparten.
Very good. So the formula of O is A, imos is in. Is it clear to you? Now he's saying, esta es la historia de Lola y Ana que comparten un piso en España. That is, now we have near. Okay, we have accent
Yeah.
of the now.
España.
España. Okay, so
Correct.
I'm saying this is the story, historia, history, story. This is the story of Lola and Ana that share a flat in Spain. So esto, repeat after me, repetir por favor. Esta es la historia de Lola y Ana que comparten un piso en España. Esta es la historia
de Lola y Ana que
comparten un piso
en España.
Exactamente. So repetir por favor. Esta now now. Por ejemplo, you want to repeat or you want to say something about the history of two girls which share a room which share a flat in Spain. What do you say? Esta es la historia de Lola.
Es la historia de Lola y Ana que comparten
un piso en
España.
Exactamente. Now you will listen the recording. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. ¿Vale? Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Esta es la historia de Lola. Esta es la historia de Lola y Ana, que comparten un piso en España. Tienen un...
Now.
Okay.
Have you done? You understood like all the listening. Esta es la historia de Lola y Ana, que comparten un piso en España. Now, we have a
correct.
Tener is my verb to have. So you know the conjugation of tener, tengo, tiene, tienes. Okay, tenemos,
exactly. Exactly.
Now, if I will say they have a neighbor, they have, tienen, they have. So we have a conjugation of tienen un vecino. Tienen un vecino. Vecino
means
un vecino Pablo. It means they have a neighbor, Pablo. Pablo is the name of the neighbor. Un vecino Pablo. Repetir, por favor. Esta es la historia de Lola y Ana que comparten un piso en España. The woman will start a theater. Okay. First, you know, the more you see the movie, so there's some castings written by blah and blah, the name of the hero. Okay. Same, you will start your theater like this. Now, first you will explain your theater, like what is a theater and who are the actors. Okay. Now over here, esta es la historia de Lola y Ana que comparten un piso en España. Tienen un vecino, they have a neighbor. Un vecino, neighbor. Vecino. Repetir, por favor. Tienen un vecino, Pablo. Okay, ¿vale?
Yeah. They have a neighbor, Pablo.
Un vecino, Pablo. A Pablo le...
Now, saying, a Pablo le gusta Lola. You understood?
Le gusta.
Pablo likes the Lola.
Okay.
Y a Ana le gusta Pablo.
y Ana le gusta Pablo.
Y
Okay.
a Ana, okay. Y a Ana le gusta Pablo. Now what is this? It means
Ana Pablo को like करती है.
Pablo likes Lola and
And
Ana likes Pablo.
Ana, yeah,
Is it clear to you?
yeah.
Okay. Now a Pablo le gusta Lola y a Ana le gusta Pablo.
1 second. A Pablo le gusta Lola y a Ana.
Mhm. A Ana.
A Ana. What will stand? What will this A stand here for?
A we have two.
Two.
Is it clear to you? Two.
And two.
Yes. A Pablo. It means to Pablo. Is it clear to you? A Ana. It means to Ana. It means this sense. According to a Pablo, le gusta Lola, and according to Ana, le gusta Pablo. Is it clear to you?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now, repetir por favor. Esta es la historia de Lola y Ana que comparten un piso en España, because language, we have a sense of the language. No more you will participate in theater, you come to know what is the sense of the language. Okay. So,
Yeah.
so tienen un vecino, Pablo, a Pablo le gusta Lola y a Ana le gusta Pablo. Okay, ¿vale? Ajá.
Got it.
Le gusta Lola. Y a Ana le gusta Pablo. Y así es.
Now you will come to a lot of things.
It's very interesting.
The theaters करते हैं हम इसमें, so that your level जो है आपका, that would dramatically move on. ERC. I will explain to you what is RC. ERC están las cosas. Lot of vocabularies वैसी आएंगी जो which we already have wrapped up, but yes, obviously we have new vocab also. Y así están las cosas hasta que I will explain to you how to use hasta que. I will explain to you, okay? Lola recibe una carta de América. Now very simple. Y así. Repeat after me. Y así. Y así están. Repeat after me.
Stan.
Y así están. Okay. Y así we use in English and so that and so.
Yeah, and so that.
Yes, that is y así. And y así están. You know what is están? Estar verb.
Stan is R.
They are. Están is they are.
Yeah, they are.
And so they are. And so they are. Y así is and so. We use in English and so. Okay. Okay. Hasta que we use as an until. Hasta que until. Hasta que we use a very important until. Hasta que hora, until what time? When we say hasta que hora, and until hasta que hora. If I will say hasta que hora, that is until what time? These are the very beautiful phrases in your Spanish. We use hasta que, until. Okay. Now he's saying y así están. Y así están las cosas hasta que. Now and so they are. That's it means the whole sentence is y así están. Repeat after me. Y así están las cosas
hasta que.
And like this, and like these are the things.
Like this, things are like
These
this.
are the things until that. Well, simple. Until that, because Pablo like Lola and Ana like Gusta Pablo. Y así están las cosas. It means, and like that, these are the things. If you say, and so, they are the things, these are the things, están, are, because this is a temporary situation. These are the things. Situation temporary, obviously. Okay. So y así
Yeah.
están las cosas until that, hasta que Lola recibe. So we have a verb recibir.
Recibir, to receive.
Exactamente. So we have a verb recibir. Recibir
Recibir.
is my verb
Yes.
to receive,
Receive.
to welcome, to receive. Is it clear to you? Recibir.
Yeah. Recibir.
Over here we have Lola recibe una carta de América. It means Lola receives a letter. Carta. Carta is a letter. A carta de América. Lola receives a letter from America. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, y así
Mm.
están las cosas hasta que Lola recibe una carta de América. Is it clear to you? And the things like until that, the things are going on until that, and the things like are the and like these are the things until that. Until that, we don't know when the things will get changed. Y así están las cosas hasta que Lola recibe una carta de América. Speak up, please.
Okay. Y así están las cosas hasta que Lola recibe una carta de América.
Is it clear
It
to you?
means things were like that until Lola received receive a letter from America.
Exactly. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Están las cosas hasta que Lola recibe una carta de América.
Now, Juan, the name of the person. Okay. Te,
Juan.
now you will come to know. Now you will come to know. Te lo dije. Te lo dije. Anoche,
Yeah.
I will explain to you. Now, I will explain to you. Have you worked decir verb yesterday? Decir. Decir.
To decide.
To tell. Decir.
Okay. Sorry. Desi.
I will tell you one more time because this is a new work for you. Decir. Sorry. Pardon. Decir
Decir is
my
my
verb
verb
to
to
tell
decide.
and to say.
To,
Okay,
to
तो क्या आ
tell.
जाएगा?
To tell.
Yo digo, tú dices, ella dice, nosotros decimos, okay, vosotros
Okay.
decís,
This
and
is
ellas dicen. So speak up. Yo digo, tú dices, ella dice, nosotros decimos, vosotros decís, and ellas dicen. Okay.
correct.
You go for a preterite. Preterite, past. What I will say. Yo dije, preterite. This is a past. Preterite. Past. So repetir por favor. Yo digo, tú
Yo
dices.
digo, tú dices.
Yes. Yo, now repetir por favor. Yo digo, tú dices.
Ella dice.
Nosotros decimos.
Nosotros decimos.
And ellas dicen. Is it clear to you?
Nosotros, vosotros decís.
Now, repetir por favor. Yo digo, tú dices, ella dice, nosotros decimos, vosotros decís, and ellas dicen.
Perfect.
Okay, perfecto. Now repeat it, please. Yo digo.
Yo digo, tú dices, él, ella dice, nosotros decimos, vosotros decís, él, ellos, ellas dicen.
Okay, now preterite. Yo dije. Preterite. We have a formula. A is the O, imos, is hieron. Have you done the formula? Now yo dije.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yo dije.
Tú dijiste. Iste. A iste O. Tú dijiste. Yo dije, tú dijiste. Él, ella dijo. O. Dijo. So, yo dije, tú dijiste.
Mhm.
Él, ella dijo.
Ella dijo, nosotros
dijimos.
dijimos,
O, imos. Dijimos. Dijisteis. Okay.
dijisteis, okay.
Stays. O, imos, stays. So yo dije, tú dijiste, ella dijo, dijimos, dijisteis,
Dijimos, dijeron,
and dijeron.
dijeron.
Okay, we have dijeron.
Okay,
Is it clear to you?
yes, it's clear.
Okay. So repeat after me. O, imos, stays, eron. Now repeat it.
Imos, dieron.
Now speak up.
O,
Yo dije, tú
yo dije,
dijiste,
tú dijiste, ella
ella
dijo,
dijo,
dijimos,
nosotros
vosotros dijisteis,
dijimos,
ellos ya dijeron.
dijisteis, and dijeron. Now, very important verb which we have to practice because decir verb. What is decir? Yo digo, tú dices,
Yo digo, tú dices, ella
ella
dice,
dice,
decimos,
nosotros decimos, vosotros
vosotros
decís,
decís,
and ellos,
ellos ya
ellas dicen.
dicen.
Yo dije, tú dijiste, ella dijo,
Ya dijo,
dijimos,
nosotros, vosotros dijisteis, ellos ellas dijeron.
dijeron. Is it clear to you? Now repetir, por favor. Repetir, por favor. Dijo, dices, sorry. Perdón. Yo digo, dices, dice, decimos, decís, dicen. Repetir, por favor. Yo digo, tú dices,
Tú dices, ella dice, nosotros decimos, vosotros decís, ellos ellas dicen.
now over here we have
Repite,
dije, so
yo
dije,
dije,
dijiste,
ella dijo, nosotros dijimos, vosotros dijisteis, ellos ellas dijeron.
is it clear to you?
Dijeron. Yeah.
Okay. Now repeat it, please. Repeat the verb.
Yo
Decir,
digo,
my verb to
yo digo, tú dices, él ella dice, nosotros decimos, vosotros decís, ellos ellas dicen. En pretérite, yo dije, tú dijiste, él ella dijo, nosotros dijimos, vosotros dijisteis, ellos ellas dijeron.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now, what he's saying is, Juan te lo dije. Juan is the name of the person. Te lo dije. Te lo dije. Te lo dije. Now,
Can you scroll it down? I'm unable to see.
oh, sorry. Dije is what? I told. Dije.
I told,
Juan te lo dije. Dije is what? I told.
Juan told,
I told you. What? I told you. So
uh,
we have in Spanish te lo dije. I told you. That's very important thing. Te lo dije. Because dije is I told. Te lo dije. Juan te lo dije. Repeat after me. Juan te lo dije anoche. Repeat after me.
anoche.
Anoche. Anoche we have last night. Anoche we have last night.
Last
Noche
night.
we have night. Anoche we have last night. So Juan te lo dije anoche. Anoche.
Noche.
Anoche.
Okay. Juan te lo dije anoche.
Yes, it means Juan. Juan told. Juan, I told you the last night. Say acabo. Repeat after me. Say acabo. Acabo.
Se acabó. Acabó.
We have a verb. Repetir por favor. We have verb acabar. Repetir por favor. Acabar. Acabar is my verb. basically to finish and to end.
Okay.
Acabar, we have verb. Now is using se acabo. It means what? E haste o, se la preterite. Esto es la
You say,
preterite.
yeah.
Preterite, okay. What is
जब
preterite?
ये preterite el ya
Yes.
se acaba.
E haste o. Acabe, acabaste. Because we have, what is my, okay. With AR preterite. With AR ending, because we have a AR. AR, what is AR
Yeah.
preterite? AR preterite. So we have formula of AR preterite is A haste o amos hasteis aron.
haste o
E haste o amos hasteis aron. Esto es la preterite E haste o. That is acabe, acabaste, acabó, acabamos, acabasteis, acabaron. So over
Yes.
here is saying Juan te lo dije anoche se acabó. It means
Se
saying
acaba.
Juan, I told you last night. Te lo dije. Repetir por favor, then only language will be strong. Te lo dije, I told you.
Se acabó. Okay.
Okay. So te lo
Juan
dije.
te lo dije anoche se acabó.
Yes, it's finished. It's over. Se acabó. Okay. Juan te lo dije. I told you. Te lo dije. Te lo dije. Juan te lo dije. Anoche se acabó. It's finished. Juan te lo dije. Repetir por favor. Juan te lo dije. Anoche se acabó.
Juan, te lo dije anoche, se acabó. Y no me llames Lolita.
Because this is letter. Is the letter we have. Okay. So y
¡Ana! ¡Estupendo!
Tu madre, que te... Dame el correo. Y vi el cojín. Juan, te lo dije anoche, se acabó. Y no me llames Lolita.
okay. Y no me llames. Y no me
No me llames.
me llames Lolita.
Lolita is the name of the lady.
Yes, name. And don't call me Lolita. And do not llames. Llamar verb. Have you done llamar verb?
No.
Okay. Okay, I will explain to you. We have verb llamar. Llamar. So llamar is a
Okay.
verb to, if you say my name is, you call yourself. Or either you are calling to someone also. So we have sense of the language. So llamar is a verb to call. Llamar.
Mi amos.
Me llamo. Karte hai na me llamo. Okay. So we have a verb llamar. Okay. So how do you conjugate with llamar verb? So o as a, llamo, llamas, llama, llamamos, llamais, llaman. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
So we have
Yeah.
llamar verb.
Yeah, it's a AR ending verb.
Yes, which is my verb to call. If I will say my name is Ankit, I will say me llamo Ankit. Okay. Llamo.
Okay.
Llamo, llamas, llama, llamamos, llamais, llaman. And what is preterite of llamar verb?
AR ending verb.
E haste o.
E haste o, amos, hasteis, aron.
Exactamente.
So llame, llamaste, llamo, llamos, llamamos, llamasteis,
Llamasteis.
llamaron.
Llamaron. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear? So,
Yeah, it's clear.
okay. Now, over here is using y, no me llames. Y, no me, not me, no me. Llames. Llames is literally meaning of llames. Llames. Llames is call me. Llames, me. Call me. So, what she's saying is, she's saying,
Don't call me Lalita.
yes, no me llames. These are the sense of the very important sense, beautiful sense. No me llames. Don't call me. Llames is call me. No me llames. Do not call me Lolita. Okay.
Lolita.
Okay. So we have
Mm.
no me llames. Repetir por favor. No me llames.
No me llames.
No. Sí. Yes. Hello. Yes. Juan. Sí. Juan. Sí. Sí is we have yes. Sí. También.
Sí.
También is also. También. También.
Sí.
Recibí.
También.
Recibí el cojín. El cojín. I will explain to you. Let's listen this.
Sí, Juan. Sí, también recibí el cojín.
Cojín क्या होता है आपका? We have a cojín is pillow. Cojín is pillow. We have a heart-shaped pillow. She's having a heart-shaped pillow.
Okay.
Because she's a girl, right? And she's having received. Sí, Juan. Repetir, por favor. Sí, Juan. Yes, Juan. Sí, yes. Maybe Juan called her and she said, sí, yes, Juan. Sí. También recibí. I also have received your pillow. That's a heart-shaped pillow. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Sí, Juan. Sí, también recibí el cojín. Cojín. Okay, so that is yes, yes, Juan, yes, I also have received. También also. También estoy bien.
También, okay, también.
También is also.
Y
También.
also, yeah.
También recibí, received, recibí. Okay.
Recibí.
El cojín. I received also a pillow.
Okay.
Pero se ha...
Now she received a pillow, but she's saying pero se acabó. Now, for example, you have a girlfriend and you send her a pillow, and she say, okay, sí, también recibí el cojín, pero se acabó, but it's finished over. It's
already over.
Hello?
Okay.
Pero
se acabó.
But it's finished. Now, for example, you send and she's saying, sí, Farad, sí, también recibí el cojín. I received the pillow for heart shape. But se acabó. It's finished now.
It's finished now.
It's finished.
Okay.
Acabó. Lo siento. I am extremely sorry. I'm sorry. Lo siento. Lo siento. I'm sorry. No llores. Repeat after me. No llores.
No llores.
Basically, we have verb llorar. I will explain to you. We have verb llorar. Repetir, por favor. We have a verb llorar. Llorar is my verb to cry. Llorar.
Okay.
Llorar. Repetir, por favor.
To cry.
Llorar is my verb to cry. Is it you? Okay. So we have a running verb. So what do you say? Lloro, lloras, llora, lloramos, lloráis, lloran. And preterite is what? Hace, o, amos, hasteis, aron. So lloré, lloraste, lloró, lloramos, llorasteis, lloraron. Is it clear to you? Perfecto. ¿Vale?
Yeah.
Now, she's saying, pero se acabó. Lo siento, no llores. No llores. Don't cry. Don't you cry. No llores. Is it clear to you? No.
No llores.
Simple.
No llores, don't cry.
No llores, don't cry. No llores. No llores.
Llores.
Okay. No
Okay.
llores. So we have no. No is no only.
No.
No llores. No, do not cry,
No
please.
llores.
Okay? No llores. Is it clear to you? That's a
Correct. Clear.
lot of things over here.
Acabó.
Mm.
Lo siento. Ay. No llores. Ya, adiós.
Now she's adios. Now she's just
Adios. Bye.
yes, she's saying okay, bye. Adios. Okay. What oof. Hombres, men,
Hombres, men. Yeah, men.
men,
Correct.
hombres. Is it clear to you?
Hombres.
¡Ay, hombres! Uf.
Now, Ana. El correo, Lola. She's saying, el correo, Lola. Correo is mail. You're receiving a letter. El correo, Lola. The mail, correo. Correo is your mail.
Email.
Clear to you?
Email. No?
El correo, Lola. Hola, Ana.
Now you will say, venga. Repetir, por favor. Venga, Luis. Venga. Luis is the name. Venga. Venga is come. Speak up. Venga.
Venga
Now,
is
yes, I will tell you we have verb. Okay, 1 second. Speak up. Venga. Repetir, por favor. Repetir, por favor.
venga.
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 So we have a verb, venir. We have a verb. Okay, I will
We need to come.
yes, we have verb. Have you done venir verb? No. We have
No,
verb.
we didn't.
Venir is my verb to come. Venir.
Venir.
Verb to come. Now you will say, yo vengo. Tú vienes. Ella viene. Nosotros venimos. Vosotros venís. These are the conjugation. And ellos, ellas vienen. Ellas vienen. Now repetir, por favor. Venís my verb to come. Yo vengo, tú vienes, ella viene. Nosotros venimos, vosotros venís, and ellos, ellas vienen. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
So we have a verb venir, because venir is my verb to come.
Come.
Por favor, yo vengo, tú vienes, él, ella viene, nosotros venimos, vosotros venís, and ellos, ellas vienen. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear? Now repetir, por favor.
Okay. Repetir for yo venir.
No, yo venís my verb to come. Yo vengo.
Yo vengo. Tú vienes. Él ya viene. Nosotros venimos. Vosotros venís. Ellos ya vienen.
Exactamente. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, we have preterite also then. Okay.
Yes, we have preterite.
What is preterite? Vine,
It's
viniste. We have preterite. We have preterite. Okay. So yo vine, iste, tú viniste, iste, o, ella vino, imos, vinimos,
estéis.
vinisteis, because estéis, vinisteis,
Yeah.
and ellos, ellas vinieron.
Vinieron.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have iste, o, imos, estéis, vinieron. Yo vine, tú viniste, él, ella vino, vinimos, vinisteis, vinieron. Repetir, por favor. Iste, o, imos, estéis, vinieron. So vine, viniste, vino. Vinimos,
Vino.
vinisteis,
Vinimos. Vinisteis and vinieron. Okay.
Exactamente. So we have venir is my verb to come. Yo vengo, tú vienes, él, ella viene, nosotros venimos, vosotros venís, and ellos, ellas vienen.
Okay.
Mhm.
Preterite,
por favor.
vine, viniste, vino, vinimos, vinimos, vinisteis, and vinieron.
Okay. So venir is my verb to come. Venir. So yo vengo. Repetir, por favor. Yo vengo. Tú
Yo
vienes.
vengo, tú vienes, él
Él
ya viene, nosotros
nosotros
venimos,
venimos.
vosotros
Vosotros
venís,
venís. And ellos,
ellas
ellas
vienen.
vienen. So preterite is vine, viniste, vino,
Viniste,
vinimos, vinisteis,
vinimos,
vinisteis,
vinis,
and vinieron. Is it clear to you?
vinieron, okay?
So now she's talking with a Luis, and she's come Luis.
Luis,
Simple we have verb. Venga, venga, venga. That's very very normal language in Spanish. Venga, venga, venga. Venga is come, Luis. Venga, Luis.
come.
Simple we call as.
Venga, Luis,
Okay, venga, Luis. Luis y yo traemos. I'll explain to you what is traemos. Traemos el correo. El correo. Traemos. Now we have a verb traer. We have a verb traer.
trae,
Okay. Traer is my verb to bring. Traer.
to think,
To bring. To bring.
to bring, okay?
To bring. Okay. So these are the vocabularies which we're getting now. Because now it's something like a different level which we are jumping on. Right. Earlier the level was very different. You know, we were doing the conjugations, the verb. Now we are doing the sentences.
Yeah.
But over here we will, the more we'll participate in the theater, first we'll do the script, okay, and after script we'll do a lot of things, okay. So we have is venga Luis, repetir por favor, venga Luis, Luis y yo traemos el correo. Repetir por favor, Luis,
Luis y,
Luis and, Luis y
mhm,
and I bring the mail. Yo traemos. Traemos. So let's go for the conjugation first with traer verb. Okay. So
mm,
let's go for the conjugation. So we have yo traigo, I bring.
yo
Yo traigo. Okay.
mhm,
So these are the different conjugations. Yes. See, we have a yo is different, and to elia we have same conjugation. Then you have to practice for the traer. So traer is my verb to bring. Traer. Is it clear to you? So
yeah,
traer is my verb to bring. Now repetir por favor. Yo traigo. Yo traigo. Tú traes.
traigo,
Tú traes. Él, ella trae. Nosotros
trae.
traemos.
Nosotros traemos,
Vosotros traéis. Vosotros
traes,
traéis. And ellos, ellas traen. Is it clear to you? Now repetir por
Okay.
favor. Yo traigo. Tú traes. Él, ella trae. Nosotros traemos. Vosotros traéis. And ellos, ellas traen. Now repetir por
Okay.
favor. Yo traigo. Tú traes. Because these are the conjugation. Traer verb. So traer is my verb to bring. So speak of repetir por favor. Yo traes. Tú traes. Traemos. Traes. Traen. Repetir por favor.
Okay.
Traer is my verb to bring. Traer. So yo traigo. Tú traes. Él, ella
Traer, bring,
bring. Okay. So yo traigo. Tú traes. Él, ella trae. Nosotros traemos. Vosotros traéis. And ellos, ellas traen. Now if you go for preterite pattern, so that is a is o, imos is eron. So yo traje. Tú trajiste. फरहाद भाई ये प्रैक्टिस है. This is something
Okay.
like you have to write down these verbs 10 times, 20 times, then only it will fix in your mind. Right?
Preterite.
Yes. Yo trache. You know the ending A is the O, imos is the is eron. But pero.
Yeah.
Okay. Escribir.
Escribir, yeah.
Right. So yo trache, tu trajiste. Okay. These are verbs. Escribir, bring trajiste. Ella trajo. Nosotros trajimos. Nosotros trajimos. Vosotros trajisteis. And ellos trajeron.
Okay.
Now, repetir por favor. Yo traje. Tú.
Trajiste. Él ella trajo, nosotros trajimos, vosotros trajisteis.
Ellas trajeron.
Ellos,
Trajeron.
ellas trajeron.
Now, repetir por favor. Yo traigo. So if I have verb to bring.
Yo traigo, yo trajico, tú traes, ellas trae, nosotros traemos, vosotros traéis, ellas traen.
What is preterite? Yo traje.
Tú trajiste, él ella trajo, nosotros trajimos, vosotros trajisteis, and ellas trajeron.
Now repetir por favor. Repeat 2 times.
Yo traigo, tú traes, él ella trae, nosotros traemos, vosotros traéis, ellas traen. Preterite, yo traje, tú trajiste, él ella trajo, nosotros trajimos, vosotros trajisteis, ellas trajeron.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now repeat it please.
Bring, okay.
Now let's go for a repetition. Decir verb. So speak up. Yo digo. Tú dices.
Tú dices, ella dice, nosotros
decimos.
vosotros decís, Dios
dice.
dicen, preterite,
Dije.
yo dije, ella dijo, nosotros dijimos, vosotros dijisteis, ellas dijeron.
Dijeron. Is it clear to you?
Yeah.
Now what she's saying is.
Luis y yo
Okay.
traemos
This.
el correo.
Venga Luis. She's saying venga. Venga Luis.
¿Idhar आओ, Luis?
Yes, come here, Luis. Luis and E. Yo, I. Luis and I. Traemos. Because both of we.
Luis and I. Luis
Both of
and
we.
I.
Traemos. Bring el correo.
The mail.
El correo. Both of we bring
Correo.
the mail. The letter basically.
Mail.
Is it clear to you? Ake say Luis. We called as isn't it? बोलते हैं English में isn't it?
Isn't it? Huh?
बोलते हैं ना isn't it? So in Spanish isn't it Luis? Ake sí.
Ake sí.
Ake sí. Isn't it?
Ake sí. Okay.
Ake sí Luis. Isn't it Luis? Now she received a letter and Luis is the name of the dog. I'm not sure. I have to see. Okay. So let's see. Aage, what is the name of Luis? Venga, Luis, come, Luis. Luis y yo trae. Luis and I bring el correo, the letter. Okay. Isn't it Luis? Ake sí, Luis. Isn't it Luis? Is it clear to you? Ake sí, Luis. Is it clear to you?
Ake sí, Luis. Isn't it? Ake sí, Luis. Isn't it? Okay.
एक सेकंड फरहाद भाई हैं. Okay, venga Luis. Luis, y yo traemos el correo. ¿A que sí, Luis? ¿A que sí? Isn't it, Luis?
Isn't
Come,
it, Luis?
Luis.
Okay.
Come, Luis.
Come, Luis.
Luis,
Venga,
and
Luis.
I bring the mail. Isn't it, Luis? Aquí, ¿a que sí, Luis? Repetir, por favor. ¿A que sí, Luis? ¿A que sí? Isn't it?
¿A que sí,
Speak up.
Luis? ¿A que sí, Luis?
These
¿A
are
que
the
sí,
phrases
Luis?
which you understand. Venga, 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 Luis. Luis, y yo traemos el correo. ¿A que sí, Luis? Repetir, por
Venga,
favor.
Luis, Luis y yo traemos el correo. ¿A que sí, Luis? ¿A que sí, Luis?
Luis is the name of the dog. Okay.
Luis y yo traemos el correo. ¿A que sí, Luis? Dame el correo, Luis.
Dame. Now she's using dame. So over here we have verb dar. We have a verb dar. Dar. Is it clear to you?
Dar.
Dar
Okay.
is a verb to give. The moment we
Give.
participate in the theater programs, you will come to know a lot of verb pattern. Lot of verb pattern. Dar. Okay. Now with the
Give.
conjugation of dar, so speak up yo doi.
Yo,
Doi. Tu das. See, did you notice? Only we have a different conjugation with yo and rest any would be same. Okay.
Yeah.
So just you have to remember yo doy, tú das, él ella da, nosotros damos,
vosotros
vosotros dais, and ellos, ellas dan. Now repetir por favor, yo doy, tú das, él ella da, nosotros damos, vosotros dais, and ellos, ellas dan.
Since this is AR ending verb,
Yeah.
okay. So for yo, doi,
Yes.
can't we use do?
No, that is yo doi. This is your irregular version. Irregularities in your conjugation. Is it clear to you? So we have yo doi, tu das, eleya, like in decir verb, yo digo. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Right? The same we can say yo dice, yo diso, no, yo digo. Okay. So yo doi, tu das, ella da, nosotros damos, vosotros dais, and ellos, ellas dan. Is it clear to you?
Correct.
Then we have preterite e, iste, o. Now we have that. So e, iste लगेगा यहाँ पे because this is irregularities. Now you say आज से लगता है तू में तो आज से in it is no. And we have in that conjugation we have a preterite with e, yo, di. With a running we have aste. No, but over here we have iste will use diste. Is it clear to you? E, iste, to diste. I gave, you gave to diste. Elia dio, dio, you gave. Dimos,
nosotros,
dimos, vosotros disteis. And ellos, ellas dieron. Dimos, disteis, dieron. Is it clear to you? So yo di, tú diste.
Diste, él ella dio, nosotros dimos, vosotros disteis, ellos, ellas dieron. Hello?
Yo di, tú diste.
Yo di, tú diste, él
ella
dio,
dio, nosotros dimos, vosotros disteis, and
ellos,
ellos, ellas dieron. Is it clear to you? So repetir, por favor. If I'm saying I gave, so repetir, por favor, di, tú diste, dio, dimos, disteis, and dieron. So di, diste, dio, dimos, disteis, dieron. Repetir, por di, diste, dio, dimos, disteis, dieron.
dimos, disteis, dieron.
No, repetir, por favor. Yo doy, tú das, ella da, damos, dais, dan. Doy, das, da, damos, dais, dan. Repetir, por favor. Repetir. No. Doy, das, da, damos, dais, dan.
Yo doy, tú das, él ella da, nosotros damos, vosotros dais, ellos, ellas dan.
Yes.
Doy, das, da, damos, dais, dan. Di, diste, dio, Deis
Di
dieron.
diste dio, dimos disteis dieron.
Dieron.
Is it clear to you?
Hoy das, da, damos, dais, dan. Di, diste, dio, dimos, disteis, dieron.
Okay. So I gave you.
Perfect.
Now, for example, you will say in English, I gave you. I gave you. What I will say, te di. Simple. Te di. Because we have I gave is what? Di. So te di. Te di. Simple te di.
Tedi. Tedi.
Because we hardly we use yo. Simple. You can say
Yeah,
yote di. I can say yote di. That's not a problem. Yote di. And I can say te di, yote di, te di. Is it clear to you? Yo te di, I gave you. We can say if you don't want to add on te, you can say te di. Is it clear to you? Because I gave yo di. तेरे को दे दिया yo te di. Is it clear to you?
Okay. Okay.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear. It's clear.
Okay. वो कह रही है दामे, give me, दामे,
Dame.
दामे, दार मुझे दे दो, दामे give me, me, give me. Is it clear to you?
Dame.
Dame. Is it clear to you?
Dame.
Dame.
Okay. Dame. Give
Okay,
me.
give
Okay.
you.
Dame.
If I will say give you, I will say darte. Te, darte. So over here we have give you, darte. These are the subjects you understand. Darte. Dame is give me and darte is give you. Dame, darte. Okay.
Darte.
If you will say give us, तो दानोस ये करना है आपको प्रैक्टिस का दानोस नोस nosotros nos तो dame darte danos repetir por favor dame darte damos give them darles
Give them. Dar.
yes less yes so we have nos them we have less te we have you and dame we have is equal to give me so dame darte danos darles is it clear to you
Okay.
okay
Mm.
is it clear to you
Yeah,
so
it's clear to me.
dame is to give me darte is to give you danos is to give us and darles is to give them
Mm.
okay is it clear to you
Yeah, clear.
okay now we have tell you for example because these are very important rules dame darte danos and darles dame darte danos y darles tell you decirte tell you simple decirte is it clear to you
Decirte.
tell me dime tell me dime tell me dime okay tell you remember one thing you we have are decirte darte decirte with you we have a full verb pattern with you like we have a dar full verb hai na darte with you
Darte.
decir full verb decirte with you we have full verb pattern decirte clear okay
Okay.
if I will say tell them with you the full verb pattern I will say tell them so digales
Tell them.
digales
Desi.
digales
Digales.
digales digales tell them repetir por favor digales
Digales.
is it clear to you repetir por favor
Yeah.
digales is it clear to you
Digales.
is it clear
Yeah,
to
it's
you
clear.
okay
It's clear.
so now let's repeat this dame give me darte give you danos give us and darles give them decirte okay give you decirte dime give me is it clear to you decirte de
Decirte.
is your give you sorry tell you dime 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 is tell me is it clear to you now we
Dime
have
is tell me.
tell me and if I say tell us so danos so over here we have the nos we have nos tell us the nos is it clear to you
Dinos.
the nos
Dinos.
yes
Okay.
tell us is it clear to you
Yeah, clear.
okay Now, for example, we have dame. She's saying, dame el correo. Give me the letter. Give me the mail. Dame el correo, Luis.
Dame
Saying to Luis,
Luis.
dame el correo, Luis. Give me the mail, Luis. Dame, give me. Dame el correo, Luis. She's saying, dame el correo, Luis. Dame el correo, Luis. Is it clear to you? Give me
Dame
the...
el correo Luis.
Yes, dame el correo, Luis. Dame el correo, Luis. Is it clear
It
to
is
you?
after AKC Luis.
Isn't it? That is, isn't it?
Is it named after this?
Yes, after this. Yes, after this. After this, we have, she's saying, dame el correo, Luis. Dame el correo, Luis. Is it clear to you?
El correo. Okay,
Okay.
perfect.
Luis. Dame el correo, Luis. Suelta, Luis.
Suelta. Speak up. Suelta. Suelta, Luis. Repetir, por favor. Suelta, Luis. Buen, chico. Buen is good. Chico. Chico, we have a boy. Chico.
Yeah,
Chico,
good
we have a
boy.
boy. Buen, chico. Suelta, Luis.
Buen chico, good boy.
Good boy. So, well, a good boy, because that's a dog. Okay.
Mm.
Speak up. Suelta. So we have,
Suelta Luis.
yes, suelta, we have verb. Basically, we have verb. To lose. We have a verb. Okay. To lose. इसको lose कर दो, please. छोड़ दो इसको lose. So we have verb perder. Perder. Is it clear to you? Perder. Okay.
Perder.
My verb to, I will give you the vocabularies also. Perder. We have verb. Perder. My verb to.
Perder.
Okay. Perder is my verb to lose. Repetir, por favor. Perder. Perder is my verb to lose. Is it clear to you? Now
Okay.
we have a verb pattern basically. Okay. I will give you that verb also. 1 second. So we have a verb which is soltar. Repetir, por favor. We have a verb soltar. Repetir, por favor. Soltar.
Soltar.
Yes, these are the verb pattern basically. Soltar. Soltar is a verb to release and to lose also. So perder is to lose.
Soltar.
If you lose something, you lose, you know, your something else. Okay, alginos, anything, alginos. Now we have verb soltar. Soltar is a verb to release.
To release, okay.
Okay, yeah, release, please, release, please. She's saying release. So how to conjugate release with present tense? To speak up, yo suelto, tú sueltas, suelta, soltamos. Why? Because you O. Whenever we have, you know, O between two consonants, S and T, my O is converted into UE, but only in every cases, not in every case.
Okay.
Repeat it, please.
Okay.
Yo
suelto, suelta,
suelto.
suelta, soltamos, soltáis,
and sueltan.
sueltan.
Is it clear to you?
Sueltan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, repetir, por favor. We have verb perder. Perder. Perder is my verb to lose.
Lose. Perder is my verb to lose, so it would be.
Yes, perder is my verb to lose. Perder. So soltar, perder, these are the verb basically. Perder. Repetir, por favor. Perder. Very important verb. Perder. Soltar. Because with the help of these, you know, theaters, you will come to know lot of pattern. Is it clear to you? Now repetir, por favor.
Okay, this is yo suelto, tú sueltas, él y ella suelta, nosotros soltamos, vosotros soltáis.
And vosotros will not get changed in terms of spelling.
Okay.
because obviously we have conversion of O is converted into UE. Okay, so we have suelto, suelta, suelta, but pero nosotros and vosotros will not get changed. Soltamos, soltáis, and sueltan. Now again we perder verb. Perder is my verb to lose. So what I will say, my E is converted into IE. We have E
Okay.
between two
Yo
consonants.
pierdo. Yo pierdo.
Exactamente, yo pierdo. Yo pierdo. Tú pierdas.
Tú pierdas. And ella pierda. Nosotros perdamos.
Exactamente.
Nosotros perdamos. Vosotros perdáis. Ellos
Perdemos. Perdemos.
perdemos. Ellos
Perdéis.
perdéis. Ellos
Pierden. Pierden.
Pierden.
Exactamente. So yo pierdo, tú pierdas, ella pierde, nosotros perdemos. Okay. Over here we have a spelling error. Perdemos. Okay. Perdemos. Perdéis and pierden. Is it clear to you? Now what is
Okay.
preterite? Then we have, because we have E is a O. Now perdi. That is a very important session. Today is a very important session. Perdi, perdiste. Compare from a previous session, that session is very, very, very heavy. If you compare, is it clear to you?
Yes.
So perdi,
It is very-
perdiste, perdió. E is the O. So perdi, perdiste, perdió, perdimos.
Perdiste, preterite. Okay.
Perdimos, perdisteis, perdisteis, and perdieron. No, repetir, por favor. Perdí, perdiste, perdió, perdimos, perdisteis, perdieron. Y este, o, imos, isteis, ieron. Repetir, por favor. Perdí, perdiste, perdió, perdimos, perdisteis, no. This is a verb pattern. Pierdo, pierdes, pierde, perdimos, perdéis, pierden, perdí, perdiste, perdió, perdimos, perdisteis, perdieron. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it clear to you?
Perdí, perdiste, perdió, perdimos, perdisteis, perdieron.
Is it clear to you?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Okay. Okay. I hope
Yeah.
you understanding entire thing.
Hello.
Yes, I hope you understanding entire thing. ठीक है?
Yeah.
मैं सेशन को भी यहीं पे ज्यादा हैवी ना हो, सेशन का प्रैक्टिस करना आप सेशन का, ठीक है?
ठीक है.
राइट, तो इसको हम फिर कल इसको आगे लेके चलेंगे, बट प्लीज प्रैक्टिस
No
जो
problem.
आज का सेशन है, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सेशन, ठीक है?
हाँ, मैं इसको करता हूँ.
क्लियर?
Perfect.
मैं आई विल शेयर द नोट, आई विल शेयर द रिकॉर्डिंग आल्सो, ठीक है?
ठीक है.
रिकॉर्डिंग देखो
ठीक है,
नाउ
ठीक है.
व्हाट इज दैट, देखो आप करना कैसे प्रैक्टिस, रिकॉर्डिंग आप लगा देना. इफ यू आर स्लीपिंग, यू आर वर्किंग, यू आर डूइंग योर household work, obviously you are in a house abhi, theek hai? When you're coming back from Dubai, when you're coming,
hopefully
I have a plan to come to Dubai. I'm just planning if I will come to Dubai, let's coming back to India, we'll see, we'll come together.
कब आ रहे हो?
Plan maybe in the day after tomorrow, I'm not sure. For 2 and 3 days I have some plan over there.
Okay, let me know.
You have planned to come down to India back in the next 7 days?
हाँ,
Sure.
है तो अभी plan में.
Okay, so I will see and I will give you a call.
Let me know.
Okay.
I have a plan to come back on the
9th of April. Chalo,
because Chandigarh का flight 9th को ही है.
So have you booked the flight? Because I think there is very less availability with these flights.
नहीं, अभी book नहीं किया है, but करूँगा within a day or two.
Okay. So what is the condition over here for a COVID, this new COVID virus?
कहाँ पे? दुबई में तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है तो, but it's under control. Everything is open.
Everything is okay. So the streets are, the people are moving on. That's fine with.
Yeah. It's same as normal, but you have to wear mask. They are very strict on wearing the mask.
Okay. चलो
Okay, malls, shops, everything is open. Restaurants, everything is open.
चलो let's see what happen. मैं दुबई is under control. So starting से ही दुबई तो control में ही था वैसे तो.
7th of July को जो open हुआ था, everything is under control. They cannot close Dubai because Dubai is only based on economy, on travel, tourism.
So
That's
did
the main.
you get any phone call from the agencies, the travel agencies?
No, bro. Travel agency.
Did you
honestly,
search
they
the
are
Spanish agencies in Dubai? Did you search?
Yeah, I searched, but there are not so many agencies for Spanish. Spanish की I would say कोई agency है ही नहीं.
But in Chandigarh, there are a lot of agencies.
या चंडीगढ़ में है because चंडीगढ़ में US based clientele है ना, वो तो जैसे बताया था वो वहाँ पे, यहाँ पे नहीं है. यहाँ पे सब पता है कैसे लोग हैं, जैसे सेक्टर 17 में जो छोटे छोटे गुलाटी और ये बजाज ट्रेवल्स टाइप्स हैं यहाँ पे, वो जो they are only dealing in tourist visas and they are offering like 3,000 per month. 3,000 per month is what? 55,000 Indian rupees.
That तो कुछ भी नहीं है, फिर वो तो nothing.
कुछ भी नहीं है यार. So वही है, मैं यहाँ पे थोड़े इसीलिए अभी मेरा वीजा तो रिन्यू हो गया है.
Let's finish this Spanish, and definitely I think the next 2-3 months the things will be settled into Spanish, because obviously क्या लग रहा है आपको फराद भाई, जैसे अभी हम ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं तो looking something in enhancing the skills, कुछ लग रहा है आपको competence आपकी increase?
यार अभी मैं कल रात भी मैंने काफी प्रैक्टिस की है इस पे. एंड अब ये जो अभी थिएटर हुआ है ना, इट विल इम्प्रूव अ लॉट.
नहीं, डेफिनेटली इस पे आई विल ट्राई कि मैं आपके साथ 2-2.5 घंटे लगाऊं, बट थोड़ा सा टाइम की मेरे पास अवेलेबिलिटी कम रहती है.
नो प्रॉब्लम यार, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड यार, यू आर
इस पे विल डू समथिंग एक्स्ट्रा एंड एक्स्ट्रा सो दैट कि एकदम से लेवल ड्रामेटिकली मूव. आप इसको करना प्रैक्टिस, ठीक है? एंड टुमारो आई विल कैच यू एट द सेम टाइम देन, ठीक है?
नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके
ओके, आदियोस, hasta luego,
adios
hasta mañana.
adios.